I'm Sandy. Just here to help you understand how we're going to be connecting through Zoom, through a Zoom invitation. So it's a link that I'm emailing or I'm sending in Facebook Messenger. I can also text it. Pretty much goes in any format. You can open this on the Zoom app online through pretty much any device. So you don't have to download anything. You can put it into your web browser on your laptop or your smartphone, Android or iPhone. So it's pretty easy. This is what it looks like when I send it to you on the Facebook Messenger. It'll pretty much look the same, but it might not have the blue app if it's sent in text or email. So what you do is you hold your finger. Oops, let me do this again because it keeps doing that over and over again. All right, so let's do that again. So I'm going to hold my finger down on that app. It'll give me an option to copy. So see that copy button? It will go right to the Zoom room that I have open currently, but I already have the app downloaded onto this device. I want to show you how to put it into your browser. So to put it in your browser, if you don't have the app, you just copy the link like I just did, and then exit out of there, open your web browser, and then hold your finger down right there. It says paste and go. It's going to prompt you, open this page in Zoom. Yes, I think I shall open. And right in here is this little box right down there. Look, that's me talking to you. And so this is how it will look. This is the boxes for the different people. And you can have several people all looking at each other from where they are, nice and safe. And we can sit and talk to each other. There's a moderator. In my case, that would be me or someone working with me to help people understand how to mute and unmute themselves. If you don't want to use your camera, you don't need to. You just click the little camera icon off. So let me show you some of those features. So I'm going to, oh, here it is. Right up on top, on my iPad, it looks like this. Stop video. So that means my little picture comes up instead of the picture of the photograph or the video of where I am right now. So if maybe you didn't do your hair nice that day, or you're not interested in being seen for whatever reason, your house isn't clean enough, or there's clutter around, you just press video off. And you can join and listen, and you have all the same features without being seen. So that's my little tutorial. Hopefully that helps you understand when you get an invite to join a Zoom meeting. Just copy and paste into your browser, or if you want to make it easier, download the free app at Zoom. I think it's zoom.com.us, but you'll see that little blue icon. If you have any troubles, please email me at liverpoolartcenter@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to help you connect through Zoom. See you soon.